streaming on live. It's taking its time, as it always does. Ping. And live. Oh. Chaos! Oh, looks like we are live. Hello! Welcome! I'm just fixing up the last few things. You! Hello! Oh wow, fix your announcement? Can I not? Fix your announcement? Can I not? What's wrong with it? Gonna be a short stream today. Oh dang, soft. It's refusing to change the category. Done. In Discord? What's wrong with it? The link is broken? Thanks for the heads up. I will look into it. Oh, it is. Right, thank you. I forgot to close in bracket. Wait, there? Huh? Interesting. Okay, so usually when you do the, like, little greater than, less than brackets, it, Well, I was just trying to hide the little thing that pops up underneath, but this is good. This is fine. Thank you. But also, welcome back, Mew. Been a while. Mew, I've added more emojis. I know you've seen this one, but have you seen this one? It's really just an edit of a preview. Does that do that for everyone, though? I don't think that does that for everyone. That's just the person looking at it. I am tired. Yesterday was supposed to be a short stream. It was supposed to be like, you know, a couple of minutes, well, a couple of hours, 2-3 hours max, but I wound up going for like, I think it was like 8 hours? Yeah, I think, maybe it was 7 or 8 hours? It was wild. So, and I was already tired, so now I'm knackered. So today it's, oh, Fuba, welcome! Today is definitely gonna be a short stream. Hey, Fuba! Screencast says you're wrong. The confirmation dialog says this woman. Oh, interesting. Thank you. I see. Good to know. Yes, we have an additional emote. Fox wagging his tail. I basically just added a little fox to the, previous tail wagging one, bouncing up and down. Being a cute little goof. And yeah, it looks more like this one got approved in like 3 seconds. I think it's because this one just looks like a fish flopping around. So adding the fox in front of it makes it a little more obvious what it is. Screencast says, not a fan of the Twitch emoji lookup. Makes me want to be very precise with the name. Oh, I usually use the search thing. They're all well named, so just type in Fox anything. It'll only bring up my things. Ike! Welcome! Oh yay! Ike is, oh actually I'm gonna shout out Ike, because Ike's working on something really cool today. They're working on this little spider thing. So today's gonna be a shorter stream, and if Ike's still streaming, I'm definitely gonna raid them. But they're working on a spider shout out. Hang on. Gosh, I can't even do shout out Ike. Yeah, they're currently working on a really cool little spider critter thing, and it's got a really cute shirt. And I love it, and yeah, I'm very keen to get this done and jump into Ike's stream and watch what they're up to. So yes, if they're still streaming, we'll be raiding out to them. I'm looking forward to it. Buddha plushie, it is. It's very cute. But for now, oh man, I gotta clean my glasses. We are. So I was chatting with Iduna the other day, and they were saying that they really need some thumbnail art stuff done, and I said, okay. And that's what we're doing. They weren't even asking, I don't think. But yes, they just said it's something they feel like they really need, and I would love to help them with that. So, I'm just gonna draw one, maybe two, just so they can experiment with it. But yeah, just making a sort of thumbnail in their character's design thing. Anyway, this is just a little mock-up I whipped up quickly, just for funsies. But we're gonna need something a little better, a lot more refined. Our current DPI is pixels. I'm fried today. Oh, it's only 512. Okay, yeah, we're gonna want to make this a good deal bigger. We're gonna weigh in 2048 at least. And I think we want the height be. We'll make it square. Anyway, we're gonna. We are on a BRB, priorities friend, priorities. Huh? I demand. Oh, fun fact. Mystery cat girl. It's Iduna. You know Iduna. They Oh yes, you can be a streamer. Fun fact about Iduna. Golly, I don't know. They stream every night after me. I don't. I don't know if there's anything else I can really share. I feel bad talking about someone. Yeah, that person. Yeah, this one. Hopefully they're somehow recognizable from the art. Anyway, let's put all this in a different group. What is this? I don't know what that is. Don't let her know? Sleepy... Huh? Oh, okay. Happy lurking. Screencast says, shh, don't let her know. I don't... Oh, let's say I don't know her. Oh, I don't like talking about people behind their backs. It feels, I don't know. Let's try and think of something. I'm sure I'll think of something. They don't drink caffeine? Which is wild to me. Because I'm a goddamn addict. I consume 3 different forms of caffeine a day. I usually have, like... I have my mug of tea, I have instant coffee with my porridge, and I have my energy drink. I'm consuming 3 different kinds of caffeine today. And then, God knows, probably even some caffeine in various foods I eat. So the fact that Iduna doesn't consume any caffeine is baffling to me. Cool though. Me too. It's impressive. At any rate, let's get serious. So we need background color. I think a nice sky blue would be good, because they have a lot of reds. Let's make it a... little more white. There we go. Okay, so this is gonna be our background. Work on. Chaos says, meanwhile, I don't drink any caffeine either. Oh my goodness. So cool. How do you manage? How do you cope? Okay, it's probably just because I'm an addict and, like, I have this massive caffeine dependency, but it still baffles me that you're able to do this. Okay, so, let's think. I feel like, since she's such a little creature, it might be cool to have kind of like a, you know, the cliche tongue out sort of thing? Like, just kind of like a Sereno. I think Sereno does this a lot. Just kind of like a bleh sort of thing. Because she's always being such a little gremlin. I feel like this is very... This is extremely edu-pilled. Cute! No, you. You says, I wish I had herbal tea handy. I have... So what I do is, I have my herbal tea that I drink when I'm going to bed, and then I just kind of like, usually there's a little bit left in my cup, and then I put like a black tea bag into that and put hot water on top of whatever, like, I haven't drunk from the previous night, so I wind up with like a herbal tea, black tea blend. I don't know. Like, it works. Cal says, I tasted coffee when I was little by accident. I hated the taste, so I never tried again. I'm the same with beer. I hated the taste of beer. Always. I still can't drink the stuff. It's gross. And ick. And, you know, if you're into it, that's cool. I'm not. Keep that stuff away from me. Okay. And then we're gonna have... I think we're just gonna, like, jut the neck out, sorta. And then, like, hunch the shoulders down. Have them kind of, like, coming down like this. Cal says, I don't drink any alcohol either. Never tasted it either. Good. Alcohol's gross. And cringe. And then have the dress kind of like poofing up like this. They have like a cut here. Hang on. They have like a tie here. It's gonna start floofing there. Cam broke? Cam's broke? Oh no, the cam's broke? Oh, the cam is broke. That. Let's have a look. 10. Okay, it's still running. Ah, yeah, it's just frozen. It's all good. It'll come back eventually. When it's good and ready. Oh wait, it's back. There we go. Oh wait, no, it's not. Oh boy, that's terrifying. Okay, I think we're just gonna go to PNG mode for a little bit while this it usually fixes itself after a little while. So yeah, we're gonna go PNG tuber mode for a little bit. Technical difficulties. Magic Fubar says, oh, how about marzipan? Ooh, I have tried marzipan a few times. Screencat says, honestly, I've only eaten chocolate with marzipan. I actually don't know what it's like on its own. It's kind of, dry. Oh, now it's working? Is it? No, it's not. Why would you lie? Oh, no, I've got the, PNG tuber up now. I dislike marzipan. It feels too sweet even for me as a sugar addict. Fair enough. It is very, very sweet. Okay, so then they got this, and then they got some kind of ribbon thing here, I think? I'm just going off of memory. I might be getting this completely wrong, but they've got like a ribbon thing here. Got this here. Split here. And then I'm gonna give them like really spread legs. Let's head forwards. Mew says, oh, the sausage shape, huh? Oh, hang on. It was working for a little, then it broke again when you looked at it. Oh, okay. Sausage shape usually... Shape usually reminds me... Huh? It's sausage shape usually. Sweet salami? I never heard of sweet salami. Wait, is that like your pet name for me? Ah, pressing Alt instead of Shift. Oh my god, I am fried today. Um, can't even critter. Let's bring the head forwards a bit. A lot. Oh, okay, that's cute. I like... Okay, about that's good. Give it the Shrek posture. Okay, cool. Sketching some hair. That is one hell of a stretch. Huh? Talking about Screencat, I feel like we're having two different conversations. What are you talking about? Sweet salami is a real thing. What the heck is... Why are you talking about sweet salami? Like, I'm not sure what the context is, as usual. Oh. Is it though? I mean, if you say so. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm very easily confused right now. As previously mentioned, I'm quite tired. Gentle. And then we'll give them like straight up ears, like so. Because they're angsty. Hang on, I think this is like this. There we go, that's better. That. Be on the back side of the head. Add some like so. Add some this one. Kev says, I've also been tired today, even took a nap in the middle of the day again. Yeah, I was actually sleeping right up until the stream started. Like, I got up for a little bit, replied to some DMs, and then passed out again. Been... Been an interesting day. Magic says, how will the thumbnail be used? For a video or stream? Starting screen? I think this is for thumbnails. They want. Like, just, like, they can have their, whatever game they're having, like, a screenshot or something of a game the game they're playing for that day in the background, and then just a picture of them being a goober in front or around it. You know? Like, you know, say if they're playing Elden Ring, and they're struggling with, or they're doing a particular boss fight, you know, they can have the boss over here doing its thing, and, you know, they can just be doing that. Yeah, just as general easy. Yeah. Just a bunch of, multi-purpose. images, I think is what they're looking for. Being around. You do love goobing. Anyway, the feet are probably never going to be in shot, so we'll just hide that. Okay, I think the hair needs to be, or the hairpiece, whatever this is, be a bit bigger. So have all of this. Pick it up. That's better. So this split needs to be lower. Hide the back of the head. Bring around, exactly. I think they have like a little necklace thing. Something here. Okay. Anyway, that's one idea. Actually, let's side. Put down there. So another one. Okay, there is also the classic pointing to thing. So kind of like a no. I want it pointing up slightly. So apparently pointing at things in thumbnails is a bit of a cheat code for getting clicks. Apparently people just, you know, if there's someone pointing at something, it increases engagement dramatically. Human psychology 101, I guess. Oh. And some... Oh. Pointing this finger. Thumb comes here, I guess. And this maybe? There we go. Okay, so then the pinky finger. The pointing. And then if we go... this. Nature says they don't want you to see all this. Plus pointing gesture, plus open mouth, plus... Oh, open mouth, that's a good point. Yeah, open mouth is a very, very important one. Plus all the keywords for anything relating to regards if it matters. Exactly. It's terrible that people... The only thing worse than the fact that people are doing this is the fact that it keeps working. Like, I'm less mad about the people doing it than I am the people who are encouraging this behavior. Like, it's your fault they're doing it. Like, let's be real. Come on. I mean, not your fault. Not your fault specifically, but just the community, viewership in general. Like, it only stops with you. But no, consumer responsibility just isn't a thing these days. It's always, oh no, it's not my fault. We need to expect the multi-billion-dollar corporations to give a fuck. No. Can, they never will. What are you talking about? $20 whole skin should never have been a success at all. It wasn't though, was it? Pretty sure it was a massive failure. Well, yeah, I mean, I guess, given the amount of work they put into it, and the amount, like, even just a couple of hundred people buying it would have made it profitable. But yeah. Well, I mean, the $20 horse skin, I can understand people not, like, understanding with that, because it was the first time it happened. But then it kept working, even after people, like, should have been like, okay, yeah, this is garbage, like, stop supporting this garbage practice. No, 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 no. No, it's, the reason they keep doing it is because it keeps getting money for them. Just stop paying them for doing shitty things. They'll stop doing shitty things. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting so hyperfixated about this. It's just a sketch. But... okay, good enough. Back to the topic question. Like some inspiration ideas? Sure. What you got? Okay, and then I'm thinking for the head, I'm gonna do sort of like a hero pose, like the anime cover art sort of thing. So sort of like the body's pitched this way. So there's the part there that comes down. And then the other arm. It's gonna come back here. So it's gonna come behind the body. Stress is way too low, but we'll fix it. Fix it in post. Actually, no, let's bring it up now because that looks very slow. It's about here. Then have it come up like this. So it's kind of like behind the body here. And up like this. So kind of like making a fist, like, yeah! Kicking ass. Taking names. It's on... I'm on the right side. Gray knows all about getting thumbs on the wrong side. So yeah, thumbs... Yeah, I think. Yeah, thumbs there. There. Oh no, the thumb's on the other side. Head. Says, first I have my octo images with gestures that I would share with you. Second, I have the face compilation of anime expressions that I find very useful. Want any? Sure. Expressions might lead to some poses. That was my thought. That's interesting. And then like a big head. Actually, this body's probably a bit small. But probably a bit big, so let's scale it down. It's kind of like a full thing, like the fingers pointing towards an camera. Scale this down. That looks like size. Sure. See text channel. For that. And oh, get too close because it's gonna be annoying. About there's good. I give the :3 thing. Fairly generic anime eyes, like so. Highlights make the highlights extra massive. And okay, let's check them out. Just a minute. Done first. Big ol' highlights in the eye. Mouth will be a little life thing. That's probably good. Little neck thing. Alright, let's get some hair. Let's get rid of the back arm. Some hair in there. But yeah, I'll check it out as soon as I've got this sketch done, Pooba. Promise. Kind of on a roll with this. Let's keep it going while we've got the energy. Hope you don't mind. I appreciate it, but yeah, just gonna get this done first. Thank you. That. I quite like this one. This one actually kind of rocks. So, and then there, and then I don't. Yeah, we'll have another there. So, and so. And we're gonna have like a big, sort of dramatic hair thing happening. And. But it's mostly gonna be on the other side of the body. But here. It's. Big, long hair swoops. Hang on. I don't think. Hang on, what hair does she have? Hang on, I think I've got reference somewhere. Oh right, she's got a. I think she's got a ponytail. Yeah, I'm doing this entirely wrong. Let's rid of this. Then. Fuck, you selected this, but we're here now. Bigger. And wow, hello, Electro. Thanks for the raid. Welcome. I was spying on you earlier, watching your you doing audio, music stuff. Welcome back. Hey, webcam's working again. Hello. How'd the audio stuff go? Last time I checked in, you were ranting about not doing singing. No singing. No. Oh, I'd love to. Please. I have been like I've said before, I've really wanted to become or learn how to do audio, music, synthesizing. That's the word. For a while. So I've been spying on your streams quite a bit, just trying to hopefully absorb some knowledge via osmosis. So when I have another go at it, I'll be more capable. But yes, please, I would love to hear what you came up with. Ah. It's literally just Okay. Let's pause my music.
sunshine in you. It's your time to rise. I know it's tough, but you know it's worth it this time. this time. You climbed up so far, you can barely see the ground. All that's left to do is to see it through.
Yay! That was awesome. That was actually like peak timing as well, because that's exactly the vibe I'm trying to get across with this image. It fits so well. Yes, that sounds amazing. On Electro. Oh man, I'm so hyped for that. And did you do the vocals for that too? It sounds like you. I've never sang before. Oh, it was you! Awesome. You did a really good job. I loved it. Great. I love the energy. It's beautiful. Thank you, Electro. And actually, how do you feel about how it went? Importantly, um, gonna play that again, just quieter in the background. I can find it. There it is. But yeah, how do you feel about how it went? Yeah, that's understandable. Lily also does a lot of music stuff. I'm curious as to their opinions. I think it went well. Yes, you did good. I loved it. Very and very, what's the word? Inspiring? Energetic? Invigorating. It's very invigorating. I really appreciate that about it. It's got so much energy. Yes, you did an amazing job. Oops. Crashed out after riding it too. Also a move. Sure. Heck yeah, we can have a song sharing day. Screencast says, babe, it's 4 p.m. Time for another Edu fact. I don't know. Sorry, Mew. I'm not really very high energy today. Sorry. Edu facts. Yes, Electroshock's the one who's, making the cool music. That we're listening to right now. And they stream it too. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm... Apologies, Electro, I'm completely fried today. For anyone who's interested, which you should all be, this is their channel. They live stream their... Did I do that? The channel you're shouting out does not exist? What the heck? Oh, hang on. Huh? There we go. Second time's lucky. But yes, they live stream their developments, and it's really cool. You should check them out. They're a very kind, supportive person, and they do awesome stuff. They also do drawings. They were with us for the impromptu magma event. Lily says, "Can we do one together? I need a male voice, but Panda doesn't want to help." Me? I can certainly, yeah, sure. Oh, does you mean you want to do a thing with Electro? Oh, they need ears. Got there an echo. Screencast says, "Oh, Fox, you want to sing as well, huh? Yeah, I can sing. Not well, but my attitude is I can't sing for shit, but I'm not embarrassed about it, so I just make it everyone else's problem. More than happy to make it everyone else's problem that I can't sing. Lily says, I don't care as long as you got a male voice. Wow. Okay, I see how it is. Not because you like my voice or anything, it's just because I happen to be. Fair enough. You know what? Win's a win, I'll take it. And then this, there. Yes. It's the ears. It's the floof. Love ear floof. Understandably. Then we'll make this one go straight down. So we've got some like framing stuff happening. Lassitude, welcome! So glad you could join us. We are making a thumbnail for a VTuber friend. I was chatting with Iduna, and they were just like, "Oh no, Fox, I need thumbnails. Like, it's like, and I don't know where to get them from." It's like, "Sure, I got you, fam." So now we're doing thumbnails for a streamer friend. Right now we're just kind of like coming up with ideas. So if you have any ideas, Lily says, "I got too much energy today. It's 12:30 a.m. Such a great time." Wait, hang on. Does that mean it's midday for you or midnight? Some like, see, this is why I love 24-hour time. You don't wind up with confusion. Wait. Lily, you're a European. Don't Germans use 24-hour time? Why are you using AM PM? What's that in well, yeah, the Americans call it military time, but what's that in 24-hour time? Lassitude. Oh, Lassitude. I got a new emote. Check it out. Oh, that's one of Azo's emotes. Cute. Oh, an error getting emote data. Lame. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, they're wearing like a little flower thing on their head. That's cute. Azo flower. Canada. Oh, okay. I see. Oh, hang on. Okay. So you speak German, but you're in Canada. I understand now. Grab this hair. Um. Oh, Lily, you do amazing thumb. You know, grab this hair and redo it. Um. You do amazing, cute, like thumbnail-esque drawings. What do you think of this? You have opinions? Any open onions to share? Also, curious as to what your process is. I'd love to catch your Wait, what? No. Okay, how do I ponytail? How do I even ponytail? I want like a ponytail thing happening, but it's like super windy and it's super dynamic. It's kind of like the anime opening theme song pose. I think it's like the general gist of it. No, wait, no, why always me? Because you're amazing and we love your work. It's your fault for being amazing. I have a saying, if don't do anything well because people will always expect it from you. If you're incompetent, no one will ever ask you to do anything. So yeah, it's your own fault for being competent. Anyway, let's not get hung up on details. this is pose idea number 2. I call this one the anime intro. Wait, so you're even better in drawing, but you don't show it so nobody else. Exactly. Why do you think I'm only doing sketches? So this is idea number 1. The pouting. I'ma fight you. Anime intro. Chaos says, meanwhile, me actually not being good at anything. You see, I have a theory. Chaos is actually super competent. Like, they actually did a really, really cute drawing of, Gray at the table. During the magma thing. So, I think they're actually, like, really good. They're just pretending to be incompetent so people don't ask them to do things. Lily says, folks, you need to explain now. Explain what? Like, I'm happy to explain, I just need to know what I'm explaining. Lily says, and Fox, I told you I go to Canada. Oh, okay, you're going to... Okay, oh wait, you're in Canada already? That was quick. How are you... Welcome to Canada. How are you enjoying it? Are you jet lagged? How's the jet lag treating you? Happy Lucky Mew. Okay, I really like this one. This is a fun pose. Let's grab the hand. Okay, this is gonna be the last tweak, and then we're gonna try another pose. Scale it up a bit, bring it out, taper the arm into it a bit more. But I'm actually really happy with how this perspective turned out. I was a little worried about, because perspective's hard. Perspective can be really hard, but this actually kind of works. So yeah. Oh wait, no, that's way too big. Let's do that. Yeah, I think that's good. Lily says it's beautiful in Canada, and no, I was flight at 1 a.m. this morning, so I'm there already. Oh, okay. Well, do you mind if we ask where in Canada you're at? Like roughly? Like, are you in BC? Are you like Ontario? Are you in the Montreal region? In the center? Are you in the north? Are you like way up in Hang on, it's winter there now too, so you'd be getting the northern lights. Wait. Oh wait, no. Lights are in summer, I think. No, they have been in winter. Yeah, I saw the northern lights when I went to Canada. And it was winter time. Ottawa. Oh, okay, cool. Mr. Messi. I made the boy kisser meme drawing so many times out of boredom that I was able to make that general shape well. Oh, wonderful. Awesome. Lily says, it's beautiful Canada. Oh, I already read that. Ottawa, that's the capital city. Aha, I see. Cal says, like, half my math book was boy kisses. Last year, since I was bored in class. Cute. I do appreciate the boy kissing me. Last two draws. Says, that's just how you get good at things. Agreed. Chaos says, I used that meme as my PFP on stream. Oh, cute! Let's try getting a VRChat working again. Oh, my camera's working. Not VRChat, VC face. Start. No? Not what? Oh, hey. And then let's restart it. Ah, there we go. It's off. Okay. Yeah. And then awesome. We have our 3D me back. Huzzah! Back in 3D. Oh, okay, you had it on Discord too. Lily says, oh, Fox, what did you said before? You want to see my process? I mean, I'd love to if you're interested in sharing. That would be awesome. Okay, so they have Amber Eyes. I'm gonna do some quick coloring in on this one. Because I can, and there's nothing anyone can do to stop me. Let's add another layer behind here. It's gonna be extremely rough coloring in. That. Pick a darker brown. Let's take that one. But yeah. I'll pick the. Did I misclick it? Let's try it again. I'll pick that. I'll pick. There we go. Got him. What process? I don't know. How do you go about your characters? Like, we've seen the line arts. I'm just curious as to, like, what your process for concepting it is. Like, do you do sketches like this? Or do you, just, like, hammer them out straight away? What's your, how does the lily do? Let's color pick some skin. That one will do. Chaos says, to be fair, they were like 1-minute sketches and really simple design. Plus, I had to do them from memory because I couldn't use my phone during class. I mean, that's a good way to do it. You all learned to draw by, I think I've told this story a million times, and I think it's like the ideal way to learn by drawing a rabbit a day from, I don't know how long it was, but yeah, they limited themselves to drawing just for, I think it was half an hour. They gave themselves like a half an hour time limit for each one, and they stuck to it, and they got really, really good. And in a year, they were just amazing. So proud of them. Lee says, I never do sketches. I go directly to line art like I did in Magma. Wait, you already seen how I draw in Magma. I saw bits of it. I was also off doing, like, looking at other people's drawings and doing my own things, making all that food. That food on the table didn't draw itself. Ah, wrong layer. There we go. Actually, Phil says the coloring contest didn't start, right? It hasn't happened yet. I'm going to. I think it might be a good idea to add that to like the schedule, so everyone knows it's gonna happen when it's gonna happen. So, when would be a good day for everyone to do it? Oh, maybe we could do it on Wednesday, on the Stardew Valley event thing, because that's when most people show up. Actually, we have quite a few of the regulars in today. If any of you would be interested in doing it now, just completely impromptu. What do you think? Opinions? Do we want to like set a day for it, or do we just want to do it when everyone happens, or most of the people happen to be around? Then, oh, wait till the next. Oh, good idea. We could do it as like a warm-up thing for the magma stream, and then we can jump into magma after done the coloring competition. It's a great idea, Lily. Okay, yeah. It's gonna be a little while away, because we're only doing that once a month. Or once every 3 weeks. But yes, great idea. Lassedu says, what is the coloring contest? So, a little while ago, Lily jumped into stream, and they were just like, I got this line art, and I don't know how to color it. Fox, do it. It's like, I don't wanna. And they was like, do it. And I was like, I don't wanna. And they was like, do it or I'll kill your family. And I was like, wait, what do you... Lily, no, please. Please, no. And he's like, I'll do it. I'll do it. You know I'll do it. And I was like, okay, fine, I'll color it in. And yeah, we colored it in, and it looked pretty good. And they seemed very happy with it, with the colors I picked. And then they went out and like did a proper coloring in thing. And then we, like, this is actually really, really fun. Oh, Chaos says, you should set a day beforehand. My GF would also like to participate. She's not always watching the stream. Ah, okay. Yes. Oh, Lily says, no, I didn't mean that. I mean, see my drawing process. Oh, okay. But coloring in competition would be an excellent warm-up, because we've got a lot of people who are shy about drawing. And they might be less shy if they have, like, you know, if we just do the coloring in thing first? This is like a warm-up thing? What do you think, Lily? Is that an idea? Anyway, yeah, I did the coloring in thing, and Lily's like, oh, that's cool. And I was like, this is actually really, really fun. Maybe next time we could just let everyone have a try. And then, yeah, we decided we'd make it like a little competition thing, and, you know, everyone in stream would just grab it from the Discord and color it in, and Lily would pick the winner. Anyway, that's the, yes, that's the story of the coloring in competition. I'm sure they'll, I'm just waiting for Hollywood to, email me about film rights. I'm thinking I'd like to be played by Keanu Reeves. Oops, hang on. That was wrong. There we go. Oh wow, his skin is just so pale you can't see the can't see the white. Goodness. Get outside to do it, Jesus. But whatever. Chaos says, yeah, we were suggesting colors from chat and jokingly said that we should use our ideas. And after that, Lily would choose favorite. Yes! Ah, wrong layer. There we go. Lily says, we could do it before, so that the shy people will not be that shy with sharing art. You know, they will get braves. I don't even know what I said there. No, that makes perfect sense. That's exactly what I was saying. Good idea. Can I do this layer too? Oh, that on the wrong layer. Okay, now we're on the right layer. Let's yeah, so it makes sense. Just grammar was not grammaring. Yeah. Ah. Oh, chaos. Hydration. Good idea. Tea in me. Payback for the German lessons. Oh, Lily says, my head is hurting now, thanks to you both. And yes, that's definitely payback for, the German that you exposed us to a few streams back. You're welcome. Magic Fubar says, Fox, your German word for butchering today will be Beinahen sie Butchalden. How'd I do? Daily mission. Yes, perfectly butchered. Alright, awesome. Glad I'm good at something. Let's grab a pink tongue, and we need sort of like a red, and dark. Not so much darker, but mostly just red. The inside the mouth. There we go. That works. Get back to the hair. Cal says, I should make daily clips of these and then Fox post compilation. Great idea, I love it. Yes. And then we can post it on all the German Reddits. any German language anime or VTuber Reddits. We'll just post it there and see if we can get some rage bait in. I can imagine I'd be very Actually, Fieldbot says, try to say Buchhaltung. You know, if you're actually trying to teach me, wouldn't it be better to start with, like, easier words? You know, like, work my way up to these? Or is this purely just for your own sick satisfaction? No way. Okay, option B it is. Just entertainment. Oh, I see how it is. My suffering is just your you know what, I can't complain. That's exactly what I'd do. Me fill on this. Save some bit of time. I don't like how the critter fill never fills up to where you're filling. It just fills a few pixels. Find out with those ghastly photos. Lily says my German word is oh god no Lily, I'm already fried. I'm not. Please no, not tonight. I can't. I really can't. Maybe tomorrow when I've had like a rest. Because I'm already tired. I streamed for like 8 hours last night. But it was only supposed to be like a 3-hour stream. Um, Things kept happening. I'm trying to take it easy today. Please, please. Lily, no, don't make me do it. Chaos says, was joking with my GF yesterday that most of your chat is German. Strange how that happens. Wonder why. Why am I randomly so popular with the German audience? But that's not true. I've got a pretty... Actually, we can bring this up. Let's see. Analytics... Discovery? Let's see. By country. Ah, here we go. Viewers by location. Okay, yeah, so... Fox, please, it's not that hard to say that. Yes, it is. So yeah, 17% is United States, 16% Germany. So yeah, that's the second highest chunk. Romania, so that's probably all chaos. Love you, chaos. Turkey, Spain, Austria? It's in Austria. The UK, oh, I know who that is. Canada, I know who that is. I don't know who Brazil is. I know who Bulgaria is. Oh, I got some people from South Africa. Oh, I know that South Africa. Watching me from Saudi Arabia. Where even is Barbados? Oh, Finland. I know who that is too. Anyway, yes. Ironically, I'm 0% Romanian. It's just saying like where the IP's located. Really, I can say that first try, so it's not that hard. Oh yes, so easy. Really, it has no spaces. I'm an English. The only languages I know are like a bit of Cantonese, English, and a tiny bit of Japanese, and they all have spaces in them. This German is just not. It's not fair. In fact, why would you do this? Please, just add some spaces, or at least some hyphens. You're cramming words together and getting rid of the spaces is not. It's not okay. They can't keep getting away with this. Magic Football says, how is the location tracked? If it's browser language, it will be English. I think it's the IP address. You know when you get those ads when you're on the sailing the high seas on the internet, and you get those ads saying, oh no, your IP address is, and for me it's always just completely out of place because I'm using VPNs, but yeah, it'll say where you're from in an effort to like spook you. Yeah, I think Twitch does the same thing. It just tracks where you're from, or where you're coming from. Where'd you go? Where'd you come from, Nigel? Found out today, apparently Australia is trying to ban VPNs. I only just found out about this. I mean, this is not gonna stop me. Ban whatever you want. You've got the whole point of a VPN is to not know where the IP is coming from, so good luck. Still, it's embarrassing that they're trying. Okay, see, mein Gedanken Kalsenschein ist abgelaufen. Ich weiß nicht mal, ob das I'll ablaufen Arm and personalize ads. Hang on, wait. What am I saying? Lily, can we get a translation for that? Like, what's that in English? Oh, 7 out of 10? Cool. But what's it mean? Yeah, it's no fun when I'm actually doing a good job of this, is it? I'm sorry. I'll go back to being horrible at speaking German. But what's that mean? Ah, joke's on you. I don't have a soul. Oh, I forgot the little waist ribbon. Let's get that in there real quick. Like this? Yeah, that'll do. And then add to the books on the other side, so we use this. And like this. Awesome, that adds even more dynamism to these. And I'm not sure how it ends, so we're just gonna do that. Magic Football says medical care service card expiring, something like that. Oh, okay. Might be totally bad translation, but you get the point. Cute. Oh, is it? God damn it. Technology, am I right? Oh, yep, it's definitely struggling. Yep. Okay, well, we're back to the PNG tuber again. It was fun while it lasted. I really need to invest in a proper setup. Layer 8 issues? Layer 8 issues? I don't know. Maybe? I don't know. What is layer 8 issues? Ayomi! Welcome! Livestream! Yes! This is the livest of streams, despite the fact that I'm partially dead. And apparently I just sold my soul. So, I don't know. Can something be alive if it doesn't have a soul? I'm currently an automaton. I am a flesh automaton. It is a pleasure to meet you. So, Ayami, as a requirement for entry, you must answer this question. Riddle, if you may. Oh, actually, your community seems chill. I'd like to hang around here more. What time do you usually go live? I usually start about an hour and a half ago. So whatever time it is for you now, subtract an hour and a half, and that's when I start. Every day. Every single day. But yes, it's good fun. I do 3D modeling, I do concept art, we do community gaming. We've recently been playing Stardew Valley quite a bit. It's been a great time. And we're thinking of starting a Minecraft server, so if that interests you. But yes, I'm Sleepy Fox. I do 3D modeling, I do, like, VRChat stuff. I do artwork for VTubers. I'm currently working on a VTuber avatar for a friend of mine. Do stream other games. I generally don't stream gaming. I'm more of like an art streamer. Oh, my camera crashed. That's why it was tweaking out. Do you stream other game? Yeah, yeah, I just Stardew Valley when we're playing, and oh, we also sometimes have like a magma event if you're something of an artist yourself. We do like group stuff. Do you play COD? I really don't. I'm not a COD player. I played Insurgency for a long time, but I'm not one for games like COD. Sorry. Do you play COD? Let's see. Oh, whoa, that's entirely the wrong color. Color pick is not. Gimme. There we go. Ayami says, oh, that's my favorite game. I do play it today, but my Wi-Fi is bad, so I stopped today. Fair enough. Fox. Magic People says, Fox, do you heard of the OSI model? OSI model? No. Ayami says, don't you mind if we hang around some other day? Sure. What's your Discord name? Same as it is here. Yeah. I have a pretty consistent theme. I'm surprised Sleepy Fox was free in so many places. It's a cool name. I'm glad it wasn't taken. Add some shading here. And some shading up here. Not gonna go overboard with this shading because it's not important. Just enough to get the idea across. Okay, so this is idea number 2. I spent way too long on that. It's only supposed to be a sketch. So. What's... Ooh, why... the heck? Okay, that'll do. Ah, yes. Thank you. Huh. Oh, okay, so it's cleaning out the command. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, my camera's probably walked. Okay, so we've got anime pointing, we've got cliche, sticking tongue out, blur, bully thing. What would be another one? Oh, I know, the thumbs up. Classic thumbs up. So, just something like... got the thumb here. Thumb be on the inside, the outside. I think it'd be on the outside. So something like this. Okay. Let's take a look. I can see your friend request. Okay. There we go. Pick. Okay, so need 4 fingers. That is not how a hand looks at all. What am I doing? Sleep Fox. Me, I'm Sleep Fox. You accept already? Yeah. The power of multi-screens. Molly, hello, welcome. Welcome back, Lily. So, Lily, what you got planned for your Canada adventure? Hi, Gray! Gray, welcome! Gray, we're currently working on some, uh, stuff for Iduna. I'm just concepting up some potential thumbnail images. So we got Blair, tongue sticking out, funny, cute, and anime intro pointing at something with the wind. That's what we got so far. And I'm thinking, for the next one, maybe like a thumbs up kind of thing would be cute. Except I'm struggling to... Of course I'm struggling, I've got the thumb pointing the wrong direction. There we go. I think this is right? Hang on. You know what, let's skeletonize this. So there's the thumb. Phone. Malibu, hello! I saw you at Freddy. I don't know if you remember me, but I decided to drop by. Freddy? You mean... Freddy... The paint? The the miniature painting streamer? Freddy Rick? Freddy Rick? I think it was Freddy Rick. I'm doing well. Bit tired, but all good. I chat you on Discord. I'm currently streaming, but I'd love to chat after we're done. Let's see. So we need. I see. Yes, Freddy is awesome. I love Freddy. I've told him this multiple times, but I really appreciate watching his streams for the like learning how painting, how miniature painting works is great for learning how to do better texture painting and painting in general. Here we go. Okay, so the thumb comes up here like this. There. Okay. Joint there, and then we need... So we've got bone here, bone here. Mali says... Should also say English is not my native language, so I don't understand most words. Oh, what is your native language? We've got a lot of non-English first language speakers here, so if you get stuck, maybe one of them could help you out. Okay, and then like that, and then goes like that. Okay. I think I've got an idea how this is supposed to work now. But yeah, if I say something that you don't understand, feel free to, True Chaos says, may I join too? Of course you can. Oh, hang on. Gray's doing well. I just finished my shape keys. I'll test out my model VRChat now. Oh, okay. I'll just finish this hand, and I'll come and join you. We can have a impromptu VRChat session. Let's go. That in, pull that in, and that in. There's the thumb. There's the and there. Big thumb, like so, because that's the one part. Oh, Gray says, sure, you can join after I'm done testing it. Okay, excellent. Wonderful. Let us know when you're ready. Chaos, Gray says, take your time, I still gotta fix some errors that Unity causes. Well, let me know if you get stuck with the errors. Oh, Russian. Yes, we have one other person who speaks fluent Russian. They're not here today, but it's okay. We have, I think most of our folks here are English non-first language people, so yeah, that's cool. If I say something that you don't understand, feel free to let me know, and I'll rephrase it and see if we can come to some accord. But yes, pleasure to have you here. Any friend of Freddy's is a friend of mine. I think these fingers need to be brought up quite a bit. And I think this thumb needs... I know I was saying big thumb, but I think this might be just a bit too big. So let's scale this down. Like this? What? Okay, and then that goes there, and then we like Cat Girl has hands? What about poles? I know, right? It's disgusting. But, you know, we live in a world where cat girls with hands exist, and we just have to accept this. God, hands are so difficult, though. I wish I did have paws. Like, hands, am I right? Oh, hands are so difficult. Maybe these just need to be scaled in? Like that? I think it's because the fingers are all out of whack. Ray says, I'm heartbroken, I don't have a good record with hands too. Hands are... oh yes. Getting the thumbs pointing the right direction is usually a good start. Magic Football says you could add paw gloves with bigger sized thumbs. Could do, but I feel like that'd be cheating. And I usually like to take the strategy that cheating is just winning creatively, but I think for this one I want to, yeah, not cheat. Something like this? Maybe? Okay, and then this one needs to be bigger. This one needs to be bigger still. Yeah, slightly, and then I think make this one a little smaller. Seems to make a little bit more sense. Call it a personal touch. Grace says, I got paw gloves IRL and it didn't fit my hands. Aw. Lily says, for who do you even do that, Fox? This is for Iduna. You've seen them a couple of times. They've raided. They're like a gaming streamer. If you go to my about page down the bottom where it says like recommended, they're on there. And whoopsies. Wait a minute. This finger needs to be underneath the one above it. That's what I'm doing wrong. Like this? I don't know. This is just like sketch. I'll get too hung up on making it look perfect. You get it approved first. Chaos says, I'm gonna need to get myself some paws too. Grace says, will you recommend me, huh? Of course I will. I'll recommend you, I'll shout you out, I'll raid you every chance I get. I'm going to be your biggest fan, Gray, don't you worry about that. Ah, okay, so if we put the thumb up here, that looks better. Okay, so that'll do. Gray, oh, Lily says, Gray, can I play Stardew Valley with you all? Oh, Gray says, no kissing, don't worry about it. Oh, I'm kidding. Oh my god, I might actually be dyslexic. Or maybe I'm just really hopeful. Don't ask how I got no kissing from I'm kidding. We don't need to question that. I'm really upset with how bad this hand's going. Oh my god. Why are hands so difficult? This perspective is a tricky one too. Like, I don't know. Like that? I don't know. Lily, how would you draw a thumbs up pointing at the camera? Gray says, Fox is the host. Ask him if we have any empty slot. Oh, hang on. Wait. Did I miss something? Chaos says, we'll be fighting for who is going to be Gray's biggest fan. Ah, cute. Oh. I'm pretty sure we have an empty slot. But yeah, of course. We'd love to have you along. It's this Wednesday. So in 2 days' time. And yeah, I'm pretty sure we have one slot. I'm pretty sure we have like one slot left. Like, if there is a slot, it's gonna be the last one. More girl bosses. Our money will melt even faster. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. Letting you and Anexi fight over who gets to be the girl boss. Okay, that'll do. Let's just Okay, good enough. Who's the other boss? Anexi. You met Anexi, right? Pretty sure you've met Anexi. Gray says the fishing gang has lots of things to do. No sleep for us. Exactly. You know what? That was a good first attempt. Let's try again. I can't believe you're able to just draw things straight up, Lily. It takes me like 50 bajillion tries. Let's try a slightly different angle. Try with the thumb in the middle. Like so. Then something like this. Lily says, I guess only one boss. I will be me. I will me, a good girl, if she says something to me. I think you and Anexi will get along very well, Lily. You have similar energy. Okay, this is going much better. See, if at first you don't succeed, give up, and cry, and then try again later. Okay. It feels like it's going better. Bring this part here back. Or down? Or up? Chaos says, where's the fun if there's no drama? I mean, the fun is us fishing and, you know, winning at the game. But I guess drama's fun too. There's the palm there. Man, them thumbs up are hard. Billy says, just kidding, I'll make drama. Awesome? Oh, that's awful too. Actually, now that I think about it, I've done the thumb before. Hang on. I'm doing this too much. Fun fact. Oh, okay, I'm sorry, Chaos. I'm not... I should really just disable the, the fun facts, because I'm very, very tired right now. I don't think I have any fun facts in me. Would you... Is there anything specific that you'd like? Any particular themes you'd like a fun fact on? Like painting, or, 3D art, or, It's a lot more exhausting than you'd think. Let's see. So I did a emoji a while ago of like a thumbs up thing. It would actually be kind of ideal. Let's see, projects. Let's see. Here it is. Starter content. Lily says, no fun facts, let it be chaos. He's tired, I guess. Sorry, I'll just find where I've hidden this, and then I'll think of something. Don't worry. I got you, and I also seen your thing there, Fuba. Thank you. Let's see. There we go, thumbs up. Here we go. Okay, so here's the, I forgot I'd done that one as well. Logo, frick yourself. Here we go. So here's the thumbs up I did earlier. I'm just gonna bring this in, new layer, and just trace this. Wait, hang on, this is a full scale one. Do I have a bigger one here? Nine. 4. 74. Logo thumb through the tears. I don't know what I was thinking when I made that. Is this a full size? Oh, this is fairly large. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this. Oh, hang on, I can just copy this layer. Copy layer. Paste, 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 paste. I'm just gonna trace this hand that I did earlier. Here's one I made earlier. He says, but he has to do 10 fun facts tomorrow. Chaos says, I can refund the channel points to me and just us another time. It's cool. I'll think of something. Uh, it's just gonna take me a while. Cal says maybe about thumbnail dessing, since already working on one. What do you mean by thumbnail dessing? Oh, design. Well, generally speaking, when you're doing thumbnail design, you want something very expressive, very emotive, and something that's going to be seeable from like a long ways away, but also still looks good up close. Which is a really hard thing to do, but that's where emoji design comes into play. So if you've got like a good emoji, it usually makes for a good, or good sticker. It usually makes for a good thumbnail as well. It has to be like recognizable from all the way back here when it's like the YouTube thumbnail thing, but also has to look really cool when it's up close. Sometimes they're bigger, and it's a difficult medium to strike. Okay, so I'm just going to trace over this. Here's one we prepared earlier. Because this is kind of the ideal shape. Again, it's a emoji. That's kind of peak for what we're doing here. He says, I want to do emojis too. I mean, yeah, emojis are great. We love emojis. It'd be good to have some emojis for your channel as well. You have a very emotable character, Lily, with your little, yeah. Especially the chibi version. I reckon they'd make some excellent emojis. Okay, there we go. I missed Mega. Okay, so, let's see. Now we need a face behind this. I'm thinking maybe have her facing this way. So something like this, maybe? Lily says, forgot I have a character. That was quick. Oh, looks like we're gonna have a reset. Oh, in 5 minutes. So good. We still got time. Okay, I'd like to get this thumbs up done. And then I think that'll do. Fox is tired. Get this thumbs up thing done. I guess we'll call this like a previs? Because this isn't like a final by any stretch. It's just kind of like getting the ideas across. Like just to be like, oh hey, this is something we could do. And I'll share them with Aduna, and then sometime we'll actually make the proper thumbnails. So, that. And something like that. This comes down here. Ah, okay. We're finally making it happen. Let's go. And I think we'll have this arm kind of like coming out here, sort of like a counterbalance to the thumb. And then, of course, hair. Then it'll be done. Lily says, but Fox, it will take long till the character is finished, so if I start now with emojis, I will have too much. I mean, emojis take a lot of time and work. Emojis are not easy. Like, just because they're small doesn't mean they're simple. Like and you gotta do them like 3 times. You gotta do like a base one, and then a yeah. You gotta do a base one, and then you gotta do like a pixel art version as well, and they kind of need to be separate. Like, you can't just scale down. Emojis are a good deal of work. Probably a good idea to get them figured out early. Also, because people love emojis. Emojis are really, really fun in chat. I love emojis. And I've found that, like, yeah. Especially if you, like, make a good one that's cute, people will use them in other places. You know this. They are easy? Okay, maybe it's just me who struggles with them. Good luck! Happy eating, Chaos! Okay, now we do some hair, like so. Other side. Same. Appetit! Indeed. The best appetit. Wishing you all the finest appetit. Give them the, intense eyebrows. Like, you know, they've done something horrible, and they are not ashamed. That's the vibe I'm trying to get across with this one. And like this, and great! I've returned with my dinner. Oh man, dinner sounds like a great idea. I could do with some dinner. Did you bring some for me? Where's my dinner? Great, you forgot about me. Aww. Hungry fox. Lily says, and you forgot, I got Pretty Panda working for me. Ah, yeah. We love Panda. Okay, it was hell, but I think we're finally getting somewhere with this. Well, that was fun. And welcome back. Guys, he meant do not panic. I apologize on his behalf. Ike's still here. Is Ike still streaming? Oh, wonderful. They're still streaming when I'm done here. I think they deserve a raid. Let's go ahead. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish this sketch, and then I think we're gonna read out. Let's snooze the ads, because I don't want to like add and then run, because that's not good. But like this, got ponytail back here, like this. I don't know, something like that. I don't know. I don't know how ponytails work. Do I look like a man who knows how ponytails work? My picnic. Because picnics are fun. You don't want to come for a picnic? Come on, Gray. Let's go for a picnic. You never take me anywhere. And then ears. Very important. In there. Give it the floof. Anyway, you regret saying that, Foxy Boy. Wonderful. Alright, we're gonna be jumping into VRChat in a sec, aren't we? Shall we do that off stream? Let's yeah, maybe do that off stream. Unless you want to do it on stream, would you like to do the checking out your avatar, your VRChat thing on stream? Okay, let's do it off screen. Oh, Lily says, got technical problems, so bye-bye. I work on emojis because I'm bored here. Yay! Good luck, Lily! Thank you so much for hanging out! And also, the technical problems were on my end, but let's blame Lily. Way to go, Lily. Way to kill the stream. Alright, well, that was hell, but we got it. I think this gives the right idea. Got a smug little cat girl giving a thumbs up at the camera. I think that's a pretty good vibe. They are amazing. Okay, well, that was fun. Sorry it's gonna be a short stream today, but Fox is tired. Daddy's tired. Daddy's tired, chat. So let's go ahead and set up the raid. Thank you so much for coming along, everyone. I did my best. I hope you enjoyed. It's been fun though. We got some of these variations done. We got the pointy, we got tongue out. I think this is looking pretty fun for what we've got. Thank you, Ike. And yeah, special thanks to Gray and Chaos. You guys are always wonderful. And thanks for the help, Magic Fubar. I mean the advice. It was helpful. And the German. Thank you. But yes. I hope you'll all come along to say hi to Ike and give them some motivation. Oh, also Ike's working on some really cool stuff. They're working on, last time I saw, they're working on this really cool like spider plushie thing that looks really cute. I'm very excited to see what they're working on next. But yes, thank you all so much for coming along. It's been really fun. I love you all. Wait, what? Wait, what? We're raiding the Ike. Better get ready. You ready, Ike? Wait, hang on. Oh yes. Okay. Well, it's been wonderful. Thank you so much for coming along, and I will see you all next time.